Why your GHL pipeline is leaking leads and how to fix it. A lead just came into your GoHighLevel pipeline. It's 9 p.m. Your team's off, the automation fires, shoots them an email, maybe a text, and then nobody follows up live. And by 9 a.m. the next morning, when your rep finally gets around to it, that lead has already booked a call with somebody else. And here's the part that'll keep you up at night. They're still sitting in your pipeline marked new. You have no idea you lost them. That's happening right now in your business. What's up, guys? My name is Gino Fracchiolla, and I'm the co-founder of True Pay for Performance, Orange County's only true performance-based marketing partner. I'm going to show you where the leak is, the specific moments inside your GHL pipeline where leads go cold and revenue disappears. And then I'm going to show you how we'll plug it. Not with more leads, not with more automations, not with another sequence, with something that does what your pipeline can't. Super excited to announce our native integration on the GoHi platform. As of last week, you can now go on GoHighLevel to the marketplace under apps and search for Truedy, and right there and integrate it right into your CRM in minutes. Here's what most GHL users get wrong, and I get it because I've seen it over and over again with agency owners and service providers who are sharp, who've invested real money into building their stack. They think having a pipeline means their leads are being handled. They're not. Pipeline captures the lead. That's it. What happens next is almost always manual. After hours inquiries. The highest intent leads come in outside of business hours. 82+% of high intent searching takes place after hours. First automated email fires. Lead doesn't respond. Sequence keeps going. Just following up. Nobody notices it's dead. Leads that need a human touch before they'll book. Automation alone will not close them. The stats don't lie. Leads contacted within 5 minutes are 9 times more likely to convert than leads contacted after 30 minutes. Think about that. Most businesses are following up in hours, some in days. What? That window, that gap between when the lead raised their hand and when a human finally responded, that's where the revenue went. And the frustrating part, it's not a GHL problem. GoHighLevel is a legitimate tool. We use it. True Pipeline runs off of GHL, just like New York runs on Duncan. Problem is, there's one piece missing from almost every pipeline that we've ever audited. And that's thousands at this point. And once I show it to you, you're going to see it everywhere. What plugging the leak actually looks like. So here's what we built and why we built it. Truedy integrates directly into your GoHighLevel workflows. When a dead lead enters your pipeline, Truedy triggers automatically. It calls the lead in your voice within minutes. Not an email, not a text, a phone call from you. Your CRM is updated instantly. No manual data entry anymore. No drop notes. No missing notes. As a business owner managing a sales team, there is nothing more frustrating. They're ready to talk to a human right now. Truedy does a warm transfer live in real time. No human required until the appointment is already on the books. This is a game changer for any business. Stop losing website traffic to your dead live chat. This is not a chatbot, not a live chat widget spinning its wheels. This is a voice call in your voice that knows your business inside and out and is updatable in real time on your back end. Real time changes? No sweat. Truedy handles those instantly. Just log into the back end, drop a web link, a PDF document, text, or just talk to her. Let her know the updates that need to be made and how they need to be made, and she'll implement them immediately. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that going to sound robotic? Is the lead going to know? That's exactly what I want to show you next, because the before and after on this is the thing that makes people stop scrolling. If you want us to take a look at your specific setup, links in the description below. Takes about 15 minutes. What this means for your pipeline. Let me give you a concrete before and after, because this is where it gets real. Before, lead comes in at 11 p.m., sits until morning. Rep follows up at 9 a.m. Lead is cold or already booked with whoever called them back first. After, lead comes in at 11 p.m. Truedy calls within 2 minutes, qualifies them, books the call for 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Rep wakes up to a booked calendar. Same lead, same pipeline, completely different outcome. The businesses winning in 2026 are the ones that respond faster than humanly possible. Manual follow-up, no matter how good your team is, will always lose to a system that never sleeps. Speed is not a nice to have anymore. It is the competitive advantage. You've already done the hard part. You built the pipeline, you've got the system, you're generating leads. The only question left is what happens to those leads the moment that they come in? Because right now, the answer is it depends on what time it is, or it depends on who's working. It depends on who's answering the phone. You already know what that's costing you. If you want to see Truedy actually working, not me blabbing about it, but a real interaction in real time inside of a live pipeline, I recorded a full demo. Watch that next. Links right here. And if you're ready to get this installed in your GHL or any other CHM, go to truep4p.com and book a call. We'll show you exactly how this works for your setup. Thank you for watching.